Hello everyone, this is how Raspberry Pi starts. Raspbian OS is bootloaded in this Raspberry Pi, and when it starts with login ID, and the default login ID is Pi and password is Raspberry. If you want, you can change password, but no need to change right now. Now you can enter into the GUI by pressing sudo startx. Yep. Now this is what is GUI, graphical user interface of Raspbian. So I want to demonstrate you my project. We are planning to control electrical appliances with through speech recognition. So if we will say light on, light will turn on. If we say light off, light will turn off. Like that, if we say fan on, fan off, fan 1, then fan will run at the maximum speed, fan 3, then fan will run at the minimum speed, fan 2, then fan will run at the intermediate speed. Like that, we are trying to, here in this prototype, we are trying to control 4 electrical appliances. Here I have connected just 2. One is a light bulb and one is fan. The other 2 are empty. Here we can connect other 2 appliances, any 2, like socket or an extra bulb or a CFL or anything else. So I am using Triac and Triac drivers to control the electrical appliances, and the input to the Triac is coming from Raspberry Pi. The input to the Triac is coming from Raspberry Pi. Input to the Triac driver is coming from the Raspberry Pi, GPIO, general purpose input output pins, through these wires. One is ground and here 2 is the data pins. They turn on and off based on the output of the processor. Means after recognizing on off, this output pins toggles 0 and 1 like that, and hence the electrical appliances turn on and off correspondingly. So now we will be uploading tutorial, a stepwise tutorial along with this video. For that, refer to the steps. First of all, we will start LX terminal, and here we will go, here we will type the following command: cd space ROOT slash cd slash space root, and then Pocket Springs. We are using CMU Pocket Springs. CMU Springs, the Pocket Springs is one version. So we have already created the folders. We are going into that folder by typing these commands. Directory, not the folder. Okay, it's almost the same, no problem. So src slash programs, then enter. Yep. Now we have already made a dictionary with the required words like on, off, bulb, fan, going out, sleep. Yeah, 2 more interesting commands in my project are going out and sleep. If we will say going out, then all the lights and fans will be turned off. But if we say not the socket, suppose that refrigerator is connected to socket, so we don't want to turn the refrigerator off, so only light and fan will be turned off by saying going out. If we say sleep, then it means that we are going to sleep, and we don't want light to be switched on while sleeping, but we want fan to be switched on, so only light will be turned on. Now we are going to start this program. Yeah, we will be starting this dictionary, and we have written program in Python. We can open Python from here like this. We are waiting to open Python. We have already saved this program in recent files. You can see this program with the file attached to this video. Now we'll be running this program by first of all we'll run we have already run this program in LX terminal. Now we want to run this program in Python by pressing F5 button in your keyboard, in our keyboard. F5. Yep. Now it has been started. Now by simply saying on, it will start execution of the program. So my friend Pawan, he will say on. He's having a microphone. It's a camera basically, but we are using microphone inside this camera as a speech input.
On.
You can see that on the screen. Now the program execution has been started. Now whatever he will say, it will be recognized and the devices, appliances will turn on and off.
Light to on. You can see.
Light, so you can see that the light connected to port 2 is on.
Fan 1.
Say this, he said fan 1, it means that fan will run at the maximum speed, and you can say see above that the ceiling fan is running at the maximum speed after saying the command fan 1.
Fan 3.
Yeah. Now after saying fan 3, it is running at the minimum speed. Let us see what is the minimum speed right now.
Light to off.
This is the result of the command light to off. We are trying to switch off the light number 2. Light number 2 means it is connected to the second port. Here we are planning to connect light 1. So we are using light 2 commands.
Sleep. Sleep.
Yeah, this is what sleep means. Sleep means all the lights has to be switched off, and this is what it is. We don't want our fan to be switched off while we are sleeping, so in sleep command only the lights turn off.
Light to on.
Light to on again.
Going out.
Yeah, this is the most interesting command of our project. Going out means if you are going out of your home, you can say going out, and your all the appliances including light, fan, light 1, light 2, fan, it will turn off. You can see that both fan and light has turned off.
Fan 3.
This fan 3 command will run the fan at minimum speed. You can see that the minimum speed is perhaps the least required speed of the fan.
40. Fan 2.
Now fan reaches to an intermediate speed. So actually we can run fan at as many speed as we want. Here we are taking just 3 speeds, the maximum, minimum and intermediate speed of the fan, to simplify the number of to lessen the number of words being used in the program.
Light to on.
Light to on. This is the result of light to on.
Going out.
Going out.
Going out.
And yes, as per the expectation, both the fan and the light is off now. So this is our final circuit, Here we will connect fan. This is light 1, light 2. This is my socket, and my mobile charger is connected to this socket, connected to the mobile. GPIO will be connected here through wires. This is the final circuit. So this is what our project was. This was our mini project of this semester. We are electrical engineering students in 6th semester of NIT Calicut. We are doing this project under guidance of Dr. Jagdanand sir. He is assistant professor in our college. I would like to introduce you to my team members. He is Pawan, and he is Manish, and I am Roshan. So thanks for watching our video. We promise to upload the programs and a stepwise procedure in the link provided. Click on the link and get it. Oh, thanks a lot for watching us.